tayo ng automatic gate, sliding gate para sa gate 1. Ayan. Gate 1. Natin for gate 1. So may safety tayo, safety once na may duman or something mag-block sa sensor, so i-reopen niya for safety. Okay, back to close. Okay, gate 1 for button 1 is okay. Button 2 tayo for gate 2. So andito yung gate 2 natin, so naka-open siya, so close natin for gate 2. Gate 2 close. Under construction pa ang site natin. Gate 1 and gate 2 is working done.